Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video I'll show you how to make dynamic stretch block. So this block you can use it for your window or your wall. For this one you can use this one. So this is a dynamic stretch block. You can see I can stretch it like both way, in both direction it will stretch. And this is also a dynamic stretch block. You can see a dynamic stretch window. I can increase or decrease in both ways. So I'll show you how to make this one, and I can also change the direction by clicking this one like this way. Also I can change the direction. So I'll show you how to make this window in a simple way. Make a rectangle easy, and it's 10 feet from 10 inch rectangle. So I'm just doing it without any measurement. What you can do it by, suppose this is the block. I want to make this one as the dynamic block like this way. So let's start with this one. So let's make it a block, BLOCK block. Then click specify point. So I'm clicking here, then select the object. So I'm selecting the object and name it like dynamic window. Okay, so here is the object and we'll make it a dynamic block. So for this one I am going to add this linear parameter. For this one I'm adding this distance parameter. Next we'll go for the alignment. For this alignment you can use it for like the direction change. So I'll click in this way so that this point should be downward. Then I'll add the action. So for the action I'll add the stretch. So for the stretch I'm clicking the stretch. Then I'll select the parameter. Here I'm adding one parameter, that the distance. So I'm clicking this one, and for the the start point, and here next it's showing the stretch frame. So I'm selecting the stretch frame here, and then it's saying in the command line select the object. Here is my object, so I'm selecting the object here, then I'm hitting the enter. So now you can see this stretch here. So again I am adding another stretch action. So for this one I'm going to the stretch and select. Then it's showing that it select the parameter. So here is I have only one parameter. I'm selecting this one. Then it's showing start point or end point. But here is the tricky point. You just have to select the start point here. Don't select the start point this side, because it will never work if you if you hit the start point here. So you have to click the start point in this side where the red button you can see here. So here you just have to first click the start point here, and now you have to make the select frame this way like this, and now it's showing the select object. So I'm selecting the object and then hit enter. Now you can see the another stretch point here. So now I'll go to my properties palette by clicking this one, and I'll change it to the angle like 180 degree, and hit enter, and I'll close my block. Save the changes to dynamic. Okay, save. So now I can see the window is acting in both way. You can see it's stretching in both direction, and you can decrease and increase in both direction. It's pretty helpful for your window. So this way you can make your dynamic block. You can make it also a rectangle like the similar way. Now I'll show you how to work with the alignment. So suppose this is a wall like this, and you want to put the window in this direction. You just have to select it and put it like this way. So it's pretty simple. You don't have to go through all the alignment command. You just have to click it. Like another way I can show you. So this is another way, another line, and you just have want to say, put this window in this direction. You just have to click it and put it here, and it will clicking automatically. So it's really easy. This block will help you to make your window under dynamic block wall. So in next video we'll go with another block. So for today, bye bye, see you in the next video.